How to make an Herbalife shake, part 2. After you've added both, okay, you blend. Blend for 1 minute. If you are shaking it up in a shaker cup with ice, shake it for 1 minute, okay, like you're making a cocktail. The consistency with 3 ice cubes is like this. It should be really well done. It's somewhat liquidy and not too thick. This is sort of the standard way of making the shake. If you want it more thicker, okay, add more ice. If you want it less thick, add more milk, okay? You can even add 2 ounces of water, and that's that. Shake it and chug it.